girl Marcy to be. I'm back today with a Crochet Braids DIY wig video. The hair I'm using is from Shake and Go. It is their Organique Mastermix for braid. So let's just get the housekeeping items out of the way right off the bat. Before I get one of them WTFs about the state of my head, let me tell you, it's Lumpty Dumpty because I still have in my set of crochet braids from last weekend. Didn't feel like taking them out. And hopefully this DIY wig will be able to fit over these humps and bumps. So fingers crossed. Alright, as you were, back to business. Again, the hair I use for my DIY crochet braids wig is from Shake and Go. It's their Organique Mastermix for braid. Now, I had seen the Organique Mastermix for weave out for a minute, but just recently started seeing this Organique Mastermix braid online and found this at my local beauty supply store. As you can see, it $9.99 8-pack. It comes in 6 solid colors. I have it in color 1B, and it comes in 2 styles. This I have is the French Super Bulk, which is a little wavy, got a little wave to it. And then the other style is a straight style, the Yaki Bulk. Let's get into the fiber content now. Now, normally when you see hair described as a mix or 100% human hair blend, tells you right off the bat it's a mix of human hair and synthetic fibers. My spidey sense is telling me that there is no human hair in this particular hair at all. And I'm going to tell you why. Nowhere on this pack does it state that it's a 100% human hair blend of any type. What it does say is the following. This hair product has been created by master mixing some of the most recently invented fibers. Our Organique is made of the finest grade A fiber formulated to mimic the look and feel of human hair. You know what that tells me? 100% synthetic. Now don't get me wrong, if this hair is 100% synthetic, I have no issue with that because this fiber that they've created most definitely has a look and feel that is just like human hair. On top of that, it's also curling iron safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Shake and Go, help your sisters out. Post a comment below and educate us. Let us know if this hair is actually a human hair blend or 100% synthetic, because knowing the fiber content of the hair we put on our heads is very important to us. Alrighty then, that was the good news. Now, let me tell you, if you are faint of heart, this hair is not for you. As you can see, it is not pre-loop. It is blunt end, just like most of your strictly for braiding bulk hair. And on top of that, this hair is silky. It's silky and the fiber is very fine and thin, so not really crochet friendly. But if you're up for the challenge, it is really pretty hair, and I really like this texture. So just be forewarned and go into your project knowing that it's probably going to take a little bit longer than your regular set of crochet braids or DIY crochet braids wig, because the hair is silky and fine. It's not that easy to work with. I used 2 full packs plus part of a bundle out of the 3rd pack. And don't even ask me how long it took to create this unit. Definitely the better part of a full day working on it, because I was having to tie off to use smaller pieces, strands to begin with, and then take little tiny pieces from each strand and tie those off a good 4 to 5 times to be sure those knots were secure and did not slip. And then the last issue I had was that I don't know what I did, misplaced my daggone wand curling iron, and so I had to go back and use an old school iron that doesn't heat up quite as well. And I was having a horrendous time trying to get this synthetic hair to curl. So I went old school and threw some perm rods on it, dipped it, and ended up with some pretty decent curls. So long and short, I'm getting ready to try this bad boy on, and we gonna make it do what it do. So here is my completed unit. Now I know it'll definitely fit a whole lot better without all this extra bulk from these crochet braids, but wanted to try it on just to see what it looked like. YouTube, let me know what you think about this hair. I am out of here though right now, YouTube. As always, thank you so very much for watching. Post questions, comments below. You know I get right back at you. And I'll be back probably midweek or at the latest next weekend with probably a new set of crochet braids. So be sure to tune in for that. Until then, you know what I always say before I go. You be safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.